Welcome back, my friends. I'm Noyan, and in today's episode, we're going to dive into a crucial aspect of daily life: how to communicate in English when you're at a restaurant. Whether you're traveling to a new country, living abroad, or simply aiming to feel more confident when speaking English, mastering these phrases will make you feel at ease when dining out. In today's lesson, I'll be guiding you through 150 essential questions and answers that will help you navigate real-life restaurant situations. From asking for a table to ordering food and drinks, to paying the bill, this episode covers it all. These sentences are short and simple, perfect for beginning and intermediate learners. I encourage you to repeat after me as you listen. By shadowing me, you'll practice your speaking skills, and soon these phrases will become second nature. So, grab your notebook or just sit back and listen as we go through everything you need to know for your next visit to a restaurant. Let's begin. Part 1. Arriving at the restaurant. When you arrive at a restaurant, you may need to ask about the availability of tables or request specific seating. Here are some common questions you might ask when you're being seated. Do you have a table for two? Do you have a table for two? Answer: yes, right this way. They guide you to your table. Can I sit by the window? Can I sit by the window? Answer: sure, please follow me. Is there a table outside? Is there a table outside? Answer: yes, we have one on the terrace. They might show you where it is. Do I need a reservation? Do I need a reservation? Answer: no, you can walk in. Sometimes they may ask about the size of your party. I have a reservation under Tom. I have a reservation under Tom. Answer: yes, we've got your table ready. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Answer: of course. Here you go. They'll hand you the menu. What are your opening hours? What are your opening hours? Answer: we're open from 12 to 10 p.m. Do you have a children's menu? Do you have a children's menu? Answer: yes, here it is. They might give you a separate menu. Can we sit at that table? Can we sit at that table? Answer: sorry, that one is reserved. They may direct you to another table. Is there a wait? Is there a wait? Answer: yeah, about 10 minutes. Can I wait at the bar? Can I wait at the bar? Answer: yes, please do. This is common if there's a wait. Are you open now? Are you open now? Answer: yes, come in please. Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Answer: no, it's free. They might help you find a seat. Do you have a high chair? Do you have a high chair? Answer: yes, I'll bring it over. Can we sit together? Can we sit together? Answer: of course. They will usually arrange a table for everyone. Is this a non-smoking area? Is this a non-smoking area? Answer: yes, smoking is not allowed here. Can I see the drinks menu? Can I see the drinks menu? Answer: sure, I'll get it for you. Is the restaurant busy today? Is the restaurant busy today? Answer: yes, it's a bit full. How long is the wait? How long is the wait? Answer: about 15 minutes. Do you take walk-ins? Do you take walk-ins? Answer: yes, but sometimes there is a wait. Can I bring my dog? Can I bring my dog? Answer: yes, but only in the outdoor area. Part 2. Ordering food. Now that you're seated, it's time to order your food. Here are some essential questions and answers to help you order with ease. What's today's special? What's today's special? Answer: grilled salmon with rice. They might explain the dish in more detail. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Answer: the pasta is very popular. What's in this dish? What's in this dish? Answer: it has chicken, rice, and vegetables. Is it spicy? Is it spicy? Answer: no, it's mild. Can I have the same as that? Can I have the same as that? Answer: sure, that's the steak. Is this vegetarian? Is this vegetarian? Answer: yes, it has no meat. Does it contain nuts? Does it contain nuts? Answer: yes, it has almonds. I'm allergic to seafood. I'm allergic to seafood. Answer: oh, thanks for telling us. We will be careful. Is it gluten-free? Is it gluten-free? Answer: yes, it's made with rice flour. Can I get that without onions? Can I get that without onions? Answer: of course. No problem. I'll have the soup, please. I'll have the soup, please. Answer: good choice. Can I change the side dish? Can I change the side dish? Answer: yes. Fries or salad? Can I have it with no sauce? Can I have it with no sauce? Answer, yes, we can do that. What's the difference between these two dishes? What's the difference between these two dishes? Answer, well, one has beef, the other chicken. How big is the portion? How big is the portion? Answer, it's quite large. Can I have the lunch menu? Can I have the lunch menu? Answer, yes, here you go. Are refills free? Are refills free? Answer, yes, for soft drinks. Is this dish cold or hot? Is this dish cold or hot? Answer, well, it's served hot. What kind of soup is it? What kind of soup is it? Answer, it's tomato soup. Can I get it to go? Can I get it to go? Answer, sure, we'll pack it up. Do you have fresh juice? Do you have fresh juice? Answer, yes. Orange, apple, and carrot. I'll have the chicken burger. I'll have the chicken burger. Answer, would you like fries with that? Can I get extra cheese? Can I get extra cheese? Answer, yes, for $1 more. Drinks and desserts, continued. Still or sparkling? Still or sparkling? Answer, still please. Or sparkling, depending on your preference. Is the lemonade sweet? Is the lemonade sweet? Answer, yes, it's homemade and a bit sweet. They might give you the option to adjust sweetness. Do you have iced coffee? Do you have iced coffee? Answer, yes. Would you like sugar with that? They might offer to add cream or syrup too. I'll have a cola. I'll have a cola. Answer, regular or diet? Can I have tea with milk? Can I have tea with milk? Answer, certainly. They might ask if you'd like it hot or iced. What desserts do you have? What desserts do you have? Answer, well, we have chocolate cake, cheesecake, and ice cream. Is the cake fresh? Is the cake fresh? Answer, yes, it's made daily. This may vary depending on the restaurant, and they might add more options for you. I'd like some ice cream. I'd like some ice cream. Answer, vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry. Do you have sugar-free desserts? Do you have sugar-free desserts? Answer, yes, we have fruit salad and a few sugar-free cakes. I want something sweet. I want something sweet. Answer, well, try the brownie, it's a big hit here. Do you have chocolate dessert? Do you have chocolate dessert? Answer, yes, our chocolate cake is very popular. Can I get dessert to go? Can I get dessert to go? Answer, yes, of course. We'll pack it for you. They might offer to wrap it up nicely. Part 4, paying the bill. Now that you've finished your meal and perhaps enjoyed a delicious dessert, it's time to settle the bill. Here are some common questions and answers related to paying. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Answer, sure, here it is. They will usually bring it to your table. Can we split the bill? Can we split the bill? Answer, yes, how many ways would you like to split it? They may ask if you want to split by person or by the items ordered. Do you have a card machine? Do you have a card machine? Answer, yes, we do. They will bring the machine to your table. Can I pay in cash? Can I pay in cash? Answer, yes, of course. They'll usually offer to give you change if you pay with cash. Is service included? Is service included? Answer, yes, that's 10%. In some countries, a service charge is added automatically. Can I see the receipt? Can I see the receipt? Answer, here you go. They will usually print out the receipt for you. Is tipping expected? Is tipping expected? Answer, well, it's optional but appreciated. Tipping norms vary by country, so this question is helpful when you're unsure. Can I leave a tip by card? Can I leave a tip by card? Answer, yes, we will add it to the total amount. If you paid by card, the tip can usually be added onto the bill. Sorry, this bill seems wrong. Sorry, this bill seems wrong. Answer, oh, let me check it for you. They will usually correct any mistakes and adjust your bill accordingly. Part 5. Handling common problems in a restaurant. Sometimes things don't go exactly as planned, and that's when it's important to know how to handle common restaurant situations politely. Here are some useful phrases for dealing with issues you may encounter while dining out. Excuse me, this is not what I ordered. Excuse me, this is not what I ordered. Answer, I'm so sorry, I'll fix it right away. They might apologize and bring you the correct order. Excuse me, my food is cold. Excuse me, my food is cold. Answer, oh, sorry. I'll take it back and warm it up. They will either reheat your food or bring you a fresh plate. Sorry, this drink is too sweet. Sorry, this drink is too sweet. Answer, would you like something else? They may offer to bring a new drink or adjust the sweetness. Excuse me, this is too spicy for me. Excuse me, this is too spicy for me. Answer, okay, would you like something milder? They may offer to bring a new dish or adjust the spice level. Can I get more napkins? Can I get more napkins? Answer, of course. Here you go. They will usually bring you extra napkins right away. Sorry, there is no salt on the table. Sorry, there is no salt on the table. Answer, I'll bring some for you now. They might bring the salt shaker or offer additional condiments.